Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to recover your Golf Clash account on the mobile device. To recover your Golf Clash account, first of all, launch the Golf Clash app on your mobile device and then tap on the cog or the gear icon at the top left corner. From the settings menu, tap on Recover Existing Account. Choose your recovery method. Golf Clash usually offers different ways to recover your account, such as recover with Facebook, recover with Apple, or recover with Google Play. Choose your recovery method from the menu and follow through the prompts. After you follow through, you will then be able to recover your account if you have any accounts created from that option. If your account was linked to Facebook, Google Play, or Apple ID, simply log in with those credentials and your account progress should be restored. And that way, you can easily recover your account on Golf Clash. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.